So, okay, so I need to get a new phone, guys. The battery just jumped from some percent to another, and look at my outfit. I think my upper outfit is nice, but then I want to talk about something that kebanyakan reviewer HP itu tidak bicarakan gitu. PWM sensitivity. I mean, PWM sensitive people itu katanya cuman 10% of the customer community, customer population. Jadi ini tuh nggak terlalu diangkat di video review HP. But for those who are PWM sensitive, it's really important to know the PWM frequency of the phone that you are going to buy. So it was a tiring outing, not gonna lie. Nggak tiring sih sebenarnya, cuman aku lagi lapar aja, jadi terasa tiring. Dan very productive today. Jadi aku dapat HP-nya, aku juga dapat some of my makeup that needs to be replaced, and then I also got kado ya untuk siswaku, ex-siswa sebenarnya tapi diundang nanti ulang tahunnya. This is actually the first time I ask for a cold water because it's tiring. Oh iya.
Komplit kak ya?
Iya.
Telur keju mushroom. Terus tambahan additional mushroom. Keju lagi.
Iya betul. Iya makasih banyak. Dan ternyata Samsung A56 ku ini aku nggak cocok sama itu. That's very unfortunate because I feel like this phone, aku udah belikan casing cakep banget. I really like the color, I really like how sturdy it feels. Tapi aku nggak bisa pakai gitu. Like misalnya aku pakai selama 10 menit, mataku tuh kayak puffy gitu, kayak puffy berair, terus berasa strained gitu kan. Dan misalnya udah 10 menit itu aku pakai, aku just do my things again, aku berasa mual gitu. And it's gonna pass, yes, but that will accumulate throughout the day. And yeah, it's basically not going to be comfortable for me. Oh, I want to put this back on. Oh, it's a lot of portion, I just realized. Yeah. Okay. Oh, the chicken, the meat. Cook well meat. So basically PWM itu kayak sistem di layar-layar OLED ya, yang dimana kalau kita mau redupin layarnya, instead of redupin yang dalam pikiranku kayak redupin gitu, ternyata mereka tuh every pixels dia bakal mati nyala dengan sangat cepat gitu. Itu yang memberikan efek dim on the screen. Nah, you won't be able to see the flicker, but for some people otaknya itu bakal keep detecting the flickering and react to that. Makanya otot matanya kita itu kayak basically respond to the flicker very quickly as well. Nah, itu yang membuat eye strain, itu yang membuat mual, itu yang membuat puffy eyes. And unfortunately, I'm one of those 10% people who use phone that experience that. Nasinya banyak sekali. Wow. This portion is a little bit too much for me. I'll show you how much this portion is. This is the portion I was talking about. That's a lot. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this phone. Mungkin aku bakal meminimalisir penggunaan HP ku aja ya. Jadi strictly just for communication. Terus misalnya untuk media consumption, I can just use like let's say my iPad. But the thing is, if I go outside and I get bored misalnya, nah itu yang aku nggak tahu Itu yang aku nggak tahu gimana ngatasinnya. I guess I'll just gonna get bored. Tapi kalian nggak usah khawatir, PWM sensitive people itu hanya 10% dari customer base yang menggunakan HP ya. Jadi 90% of people won't be suffering from that condition. That's very unfortunate because I really love this phone. It's so sturdy. The battery life is amazing. It's basically everything that I need. I don't need anything better than this. Software update-nya juga dijanjikan selama berapa tahun nih? Lupa nih, 6 atau 7 tahun ya. Pokoknya it's going to be so secure for me for this period of time, and it's so well made, man. It's very sturdy. I really love it. I grow attached to this phone, but yeah, I won't be able to use it for long. 20 minutes is my maximum to use it. Habis itu aku bakal feeling dizzy, feeling nauseous, and then I have to be away from looking at the screen of this phone. I think I just want to share this awareness. So for those who also actually suffer from the same symptoms, yang kalian pikir oh ini cuman radiasi HP or something like that, no, probably it is not. Probably it's PWM, and basically the only phones that we will be able to use are LCD phones. HP lamaku iPhone 11 LCD phones. That's why I never had this type of problem. I never thought about this problem karena selama ini aku nggak pernah pakai OLED gitu. This is the first time I actually use an OLED display. So yeah, I guess I just want to raise awareness of that, and hopefully gitu, phone maker ya, please perhatiin deh, atau kalau tidak buatin versi amannya lah ya yang pakai LCD gitu. Cuman ya kekurangannya kalau pakai LCD tuh nggak secerah pakai OLED ya, dan PWM yang rendah tuh memang lebih cerah gitu warnanya, and that's what phone maker gadang-gadang gitu. Jadi ya, so yeah, I think I just need to mengurangi penggunaan HP ku. Media consumption is not going to be with this phone. I think I'm just going to strictly use my iPad for that, and this one is just for communication and transaction, something like that. Yeah, itu aja. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's vlog, guys. See you next time in another diary. Bye bye.